Sheriff Hoskins? What's the situation here?
Late to the party, D'Angelo.
Remind me to never go to one of your parties.
Party's over. It's been a murder.
Dear God. What kind of monster would do such a thing?
Looks like the Seam Ripper's back to killing again.
The prolific puppet serial killer, the Seam Ripper?
The very same. It's before your time, rookie. Pop quiz, what do you know about the case?
I know they never caught the guy. I know he always targeted poor defenseless puppets. Most likely a result of some puppet childhood trauma. I know they always thought it was a white guy, early 40s, needs glasses, left-handed, definitely had sexual performance issues.
Enough! You forgot one important detail. There's only one detective who ever came close to catching this maniac.
Oh, no. No, not Axelrod.
Would you look at that? A lady cop.
Look, I don't actually want you as my partner, but the Seam Ripper is back.
That case is way too personal. And I don't need this. Actually, I do need this.
If we're going to be partners, then you're going to play by my rules, okay? That's by the book. Okay, Gina?
It's pronounced Gina. And I play by my rules.
Yeah, I've heard you're a bit of a loose cannon.
What? Who told you about my loose cannon?
What?
Never mind. Let's go.
Where are we going?
There's only one thing we need to catch this killer. Clues. So I said, crime doesn't pay? More like wine doesn't pay.
Lady cops, conference room, now!
Look, we are close to a break in this case.
That's what I brought you in for. We got our man. He's just confessed.
Tommy Two Toes? He's just a phone guy. Goes to jail for cash. This can't be right.
I'm running for re-election, and I need the numbers. So you two lady cops toe the line, or you're out of here.
You can't tell me what to do.
That's it, Axelrod. You're off the case!
Christy taken?
Free country.
I don't know about that anymore. Seems nowadays a cop's not allowed to play fast and loose with the rules.
Where were you back there? I was being thrown on my ass, and you didn't say a word. I thought we were partners.
The only partner I'm used to having is this here rule book. I screwed up, I know. I'm sorry. There's a lot about this case that's still not adding up. What do you say we go solve it once and for all, huh?
You'd want to be my partner? Huh. I'm a loser with a dead wife, no gun, parking lot pie.
I've got something for you here.
Is this spork for my pie?
It's a little bit better.
Oh, oh yeah. You know, taking an unregistered gun from a police precinct isn't exactly playing by the book.
Well, maybe I'm illiterate now.
What do you say? Should these two illiterate lady cops go catch a killer?
Oh. What are we even doing here?
Didn't I teach you anything, D'Angelo?
Oh yeah, clues.
Well, well, well. Looks like I underestimated you two lady cops.
Why? Why kill puppets?
I have so many more questions.
You stole my wife, Axelrod. You stole my sweet puppet. If I couldn't have my love, then no one could. So I killed her, and I got a taste for killing. You were always just one step behind me, so I needed to make you disappear. Turns out Detective Axelrod is the puppet serial killer. Then I heroically kill you, claiming the glory and win another sheriff's election.
How did you win the election in the first place?
Bribes.
Don't look at me. I voted for the other guy.
Time to cut your strings.
No!
Hey, Sheriff, say hello to my loose cannon.
Damn you, Gina Axelrod.
It's Gina, motherfucker. D'Angelo.
I'm okay.
But how? I guess sometimes it pays to do things by the book.
There's only one thing left to do now.
Wants paperwork?
No. Pie.
I'll bring my gun.